Consistency is like playing a musical instrument. Yes, practice is essential, but playing the same keys over and over again won't make you a master instrumentalist. You need to learn new keys, adopt different genres, and push yourself to improve, contrary to popular opinion on consistency being the main recipe to achieving success. You'd learn how only consistency can't make you successful. Many people are consistent in whatever they are doing, but they are consistently doing the wrong thing. Just like a person who wants to lose weight and decides to run on the treadmill every day, but every day the person keeps running at one pace and refuses to increase the speed. Yes, the person is putting efforts to run on a treadmill, but by not increasing the speed of the treadmill, weight loss becomes an illusion. This is what many people are facing. Remember that if you keep on doing the same thing over and over again, you'd get the same results every time. Your consistency is highly commendable. It shows you really want to achieve your goals. But in addition to being consistent, what other things can you add that will guarantee success? 1. Be innovative and creative. In addition to your consistency, introduce new ideas and methods that keeps things fresh and exciting. Don't just stay stagnant doing one thing over and over again and expect different results. Think outside the box and explore new possibilities. By being innovative and creative, you are better experienced in that field and have a better option, which only consistency won't give you. 2. Learn continuously. In addition to your consistency, learn new skills and knowledge. The world is getting more easier with the use of technology. Learn how it works and don't stick to your old ways of doing things. Learn new ways and embrace change. 3. Have a strategic plan. In addition to your consistency, have a solid and strategic plan on how to achieve a certain result. What would come first and what would come last? Following it and backing it up with consistency goes a long way than being only consistent. 4. Stay organized. In addition to your consistency, learn how to manage your time, money, and resources wisely. 5. Accept negative and positive feedbacks. In addition to your consistency, use criticism to refine and improve. Use failure as a learning opportunity. 6. Collaborate with like minds. In addition to your consistency, build a strong support network of people who wants to achieve similar goals as yours. Encourage and uplift you, irrespective of what field you venture into. By doing the aforementioned tips and backing it up with consistency, you are sure of being successful 100%. Remember, success is a marathon race. It would take a while, but you'd surely get there. Take it one step at a time. When you follow the tips highlighted, apart from being successful, it would help you build momentum and confidence. You'd easily adapt to changes and challenges. It will help you stay accountable, focused, motivated, and reliable. More importantly, you achieve your goals and reach your full potentials. Remember, showing up consistently is just the starting point. It's what you do with each opportunity that ultimately determines your success. So keep showing up and keep pushing yourself to be better every single day. If this video impacted you positively, a thumbs up goes a long way, and it is appreciated. Thank you for the likes, comments, and sticking to this channel.